What is up, guys? This is a beer and you are watching Passive Earnings. In this video, I wanted to show you guys my first 10 days result of investing consecutively $20 a day every single day in QQQM. So let's look up the results here. I know it is just the beginning of a long journey. We are gonna be investing in here soon. I just ramped up cash here. And we'll be investing $30 a day from now on in this one stock. But for the most part, for the last 10 days, I have been reinvesting whatever I have here. If you see in the history, it started on 17th July. Today is 27th. And we had a one weekend from July 22nd and 23rd. So that's the gap there. But other than that, it's all $20 a day. That's what the plan was, to start investing in QQQM. Basically, it's an Invesco ETF. Whoever doesn't know what this entails is it's basically tracks Nasdaq 100 top companies. And these companies basically are the same companies that you see in the ETF QQQ, which is more famous version of the same ETF here. But this one has pretty much returned the same value to its investors. The only couple of things that I wanted to make sure that we know as an investor, the difference between QQQ and QQQM are there are a couple of differences. One is the expense ratio. So what you see here is the expense ratio of QQQM, which is 0.15, and that is comparatively 0.05% less than QQQ. So that saves us a little bit on expense ratio here. And then if you look at the top 10 holding and the percentage of the assets that this has, this percentage is a little different than QQQ if you compare it to that. And that's pretty much the two big differences. Of course, the other reason that I started investing in this ETF instead of QQQ is that the price value for this stands at 155, around 155, 157. The reason being, I want to buy 100 shares soon with this recurring investment of $20 a day, plus some additional money that I'd invest in this stock. So that's a plan. So and if you compare that to QQQ, that the one stock of QQQ is basically over $350. So it's pretty much twice as cheap as that. And then if I were to sell covered calls, then it'll be easier to do with this ETF than QQQ. With that said, let's look at the total investment. So total investment, my average cost is $156.39. I probably started buying at the peak of this ETF this year, which was $158 per stock. But then investing $20 every day, so it went back. It went to, I think, $154 a couple days back, and then it pulled back up. But pretty much dollar cost averaging my way. Current market value is $178.61 as of today, and I'm as I said, like, I'll start investing $30 from tomorrow onwards. And that's going to help us get to our goal of 100 stocks on QQQM sooner than later. And then on top of that, as I said, like, I'll try to keep you all posted on the progress, not only on this stock, but overall my portfolio. And in addition to that, if I were to get any W2 bonus or anything like that, I'll try to invest it in this stock in lump sum. So that would also help. But this for now is the 10 days return. I'm down $1.36, but that's the beauty of dollar cost averaging. So I will keep investing $30 from now on, but this was the result from investing $20 a day in QQQM on Robinhood, and looking forward to the long run gains. And I start selling covered call on this ETF, and maybe adding reinvesting that covered call collateral money that I would get. So that's pretty much about it. I currently have around $1,000 buying power available to me in this account. But at the same time, just want to make sure that you all are posted. How I increase this money is not only by contributing some money every single month, but also selling cash secured put, which I will make another different video about how am I going about that to generate a consistent passive income. And then all of that money basically is how I'm buying these. So whatever you are seeing here, like average cost here, this is all coming from that passive generated income. So it's if you think about it that way, all of the shares that you see here are free. So basically, it didn't cost me anything. Whatever I made from selling cash secured puts on other stocks and ETFs, I invested it, all of that money here. So the plan is to invest $30 a day or $150 a week from now on in QQQM, and I'll keep you posted with the updated market value as it stands every day. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this video. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please make sure to do that, and I'll see you on the flip side.